Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about the big React hack that happened in the last week of December 2025. The React Server Components vulnerability, also called reactive shell. I will explain what happened, why it happened, and how to protect your application in super simple language. No deep technical background needed. Let's get started. On December 3rd, 2025, the React team announced a critical security vulnerability in React Server Components or RSC. This wasn't a small issue. It had the highest danger rating, CVSS 10 out of 10. Hackers were able to break into servers running React without any login or password. This means the attack is also called reactive shell because hackers could get full control of the server shell. To understand the hack, you need to know one thing. React has two types of components now. Number one, client components. This runs inside the browser. Number two, server components. This run on your backend server. Server components are powerful because they can read files, access databases, and talk to APIs. But to do this, React has special system that sends data between browser and server. The system is called serialization and deserialization, and this exact system had the bug. What is RCE or remote code execution? The issue was a type of attack called RCE or remote code execution. What does that mean? It means a hacker could run commands directly on your server from anywhere on the internet. Imagine someone outside your house suddenly able to control your kitchen stove without having the key. That's how dangerous RC is, and this React bug allowed exactly that. Here is the simple version of how the hack worked. React server components expect the browser send clean, safe data, but the vulnerability allowed hackers to send fake or malicious data packets. React tried to read it and accidentally executed harmful code inside the server. Just hours after the vulnerability became public, hackers started scanning the internet for React application. Groups linked with China and North Korea launched aggressive attacks. They were able to control of servers, steal data, deploy malware, and even install backdoors. This was not a theoretical issue, it was actually being used in real attacks. Who was affected actually? Any project using React server components was at risk. This include Next.js 13, 14, 15 version, React application with the version 19, even Remix server mode. Any React application that used RSC with backend server. And how to fix it. React team quickly released a past versions. The fix is a super simple. Just update your React or Next.js application to the latest version. This was one of the biggest security issue in the React's history. And the good news is, if you are update, you are safe. React itself didn't get hacked. A feature inside the React had a bug and attackers abused it. I hope this video helped you understand the React hack in simple terms. If you want a deep technical explanation or a diagram animation, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.